Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to type a grave accent in Windows, step by step. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. First, ensure your numeric keypad is active by pressing number lock at the top of your keyboard. This will enable you to use the keypad for typing special characters. Step 2. Next, to type uppercase letters with a grave accent, hold down the alternate key on your keyboard. While holding alternate, use the numeric keypad to type the corresponding 4-digit code, alternate +0 1924A, alternate +0 2004E, alternate +0 2044I, alternate +0 21040, alternate +0 2174U. Step 3. To type lowercase letters with a grave accent, continue holding down the alternate key and use these 4-digit codes on the numeric keypad. Alternate +0 2244A, alternate +0 2324 East, alternate +0 2364I, alternate +0 24240, alternate +0 249 for U. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.